This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put coolant in your Audi Q5. First, always make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin. This is crucial for safety. Next, locate the coolant reservoir, which is usually a translucent plastic tank in the engine compartment. Remember to use only the specific coolant type recommended for your Audi Q5, often G13 lilac coolant. Finally, wear protective gloves and eye protection to ensure your safety throughout the process. Now, let's check your current coolant level. On the side of the coolant reservoir, you'll see clear minimum and maximum fill lines. The coolant level should always fall between these two marks. If you notice the level is below the minimum line, it's time to add more coolant. A very important safety note: never open the reservoir cap if the engine is hot, as the system is under pressure and could cause injury. When adding coolant, carefully twist the reservoir cap counterclockwise to open it. Pour the correct coolant slowly into the reservoir to prevent air pockets from forming in the system. Continue filling until the coolant level reaches the maximum fill line. Be careful not to overfill. Once the desired level is achieved, securely replace the reservoir cap by twisting it clockwise until it clicks into place. After adding coolant, start your Audi Q5's engine and let it run for several minutes. This allows the coolant to circulate throughout the system. While the engine is running, keep an eye on the coolant level and check for any visible leaks around the reservoir or hoses. Once the engine has cooled down completely, recheck the coolant level. If it is dropped, top it off again to the maximum line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.